Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. Friends, today in our Forgotten Lore, we are going to discuss about few of the traditional rice varieties. Only very few I have got. We are going to discuss about that. Just I want to show it and to share with you. So very few things, and it is told that the traditional rice varieties, they have many health benefits, and some reports also say that health benefit and nutritional contents of the rice are very high comparatively with the nowadays what we are using, the hybrid dwarf and short lifespan variety rice. In case of this traditional rice variety, the lifespan of the crop itself is high, and it is told that parboiled rice is better than raw rice, because parboiled rice, it is rich in soluble fiber, which helps to lower the levels of bad LDL in the blood, and the oil present in parboiled rice may also helpful and lower the harmful cholesterol levels, and it is maintaining the blood pressure level in the optimum level while raising the levels of healthy HDL cholesterol. Friends, these are the rice plants, what we call it as paddy. Paddy is the seed of the rice. The peeled seed is known as rice, which is edible. See, this is the paddy field. Look at the beauty of the paddy field and enjoy the beauty, which I believe it is the gift of nature by God. Friends, this is Atur Kichili Samba, raw rice, hand pound. Regularly I am using this to prepare lunch as well as to Venpongal and all. It is also slightly scented and the taste is very good. Delicious rice. This rice is Mysore Malli. This is also a delicious food. This is a brown color rice, and this is also hand pound. And it is told that once this rice was prepared and produced for the royals, that much health benefit is there. This is Mappilai Samba rice, and normally people say and they believe that only the newly married boys, that means the bridegrooms, only have to eat this, will give more strength, like that they say. But it is not like that, friends. Anyone can eat this one. It is a delicious rice. So I have prepared a porridge from this rice, and I have posted in our both the channels, in our Forgotten Lore as well as in Muthuchippi Tamil. So I'll give the link in the description box. You can refer that one. And people frequently they say that it takes a very long time to cook this rice. It is not like that. I am using this weekly once to cook for lunch, and weekly twice I am making porridge for as morning breakfast. For both I am soaking it overnight, and to make porridge it takes only 10 minutes, and for lunch the rice, I am giving only 5 whistles, and it is okay. It is normal like other rice, and it is delicious. Anyone can eat, friends. This variety is known as Kullakar. This is also hand pound, but it is boiled rice. I am using it to make porridge for plain rice, as well as I am mixing this rice to prepare idli also. So it is also delicious. This is also a type of brown rice. Friends, this is the popular Jeera Samba rice or Siraga Samba rice. This is one of the scented rice variety. it is really it is very very delicious. I prepared kheer from this. It was very very nice, superb. And I prepared even vegetable biryani also. It was very very delicious. I used very little amount of spices and flavoring agents. I got the natural flavor from this rice itself. I can say this is very very delicious and of good quality. I like this so much. Friends, this variety is known as Kartiyanam. This is also one of our traditional rice variety. It is dark brown. It is brownish in color, not red. It is brownish in color, and it is a little bit thicker also. Normally, I am adding this along with other rices in the preparation of idli and dosa, and sometimes we are preparing a health drink mix, no? In that also I am adding this rice. Friends, look at these small beautiful grains of Ilipippu Samba. So in between you can come across that small black color structures. These are nothing but the paddy, the seed. That is the paddy, the seed of this Ilipippu Samba rice. It is black in color. The rice is white in color. This is the hand pound rice. That's why it is little bit dusky. Otherwise it will be pure white. But see, look at the seed or the paddy of this rice. It is black in color. See, I have it in my hands. It is black, is it not? Friends, this Ilipippu Samba rice is also of scented variety, and some of the farmers and elders told that it has high medicinal power. So it is treated, it is used and recommended in herbal medicine also. Along with the Athur Kichili Samba rice, I am using this Ilipippu Samba rice also for lunch preparation. To make white rice and all, I am using this rice. Besides this, I am using it to make kheer and all. And this one is black kavni rice. We call it as Karuppu kavni rice. Already I have posted about this rice recipes in our both the channels. Kindly go through all, and watch them. So this is really a delicious rice, and it improves our hemoglobin level. Regularly I am taking it weekly thrice as a porridge for morning breakfast. So really it is very nice. I feel it is very good, and it is dark in color. The pigmentation is very very dark. That's why it is known as black kavni rice. It has very dark pigmentation, and it is one of the best traditional variety rice. Friends, look at this rice. This is known as Kottamalli Samba. Kottamalli refers to coriander. See, the grains are similar to coriander seeds. They are small, I can say dwarf and fat, rounded. Rounded in the sense they are little bit elongated and oval shaped. So they resemble the seeds of coriander plant. That's why it is known as Kottamalli Samba. And this is also one of the delicious variety rice. I used it to prepare plain rice also from this, as well as porridge. So to make porridge, the whole grain I am soaking overnight and I am making. It is really delicious and rich in fiber. The fiber content is more in this Kottamalli Samba rice. And the rice itself is dark brown in color. It is not red, it is dark brown in color. And here and there we can see some other rice which has been mixed, because I have kept it in same place, so it got mixed a little. But the pure variety of this Kottamalli Samba is of the size of the same coriander seeds. And I have prepared kheer from this. Really it is a delicious one. Kheer is also coming good. And this is a hand pound rice. It is parboiled rice, and this Kottamalli Samba rice variety is good for regular use, because it is not taking that much time for cooking. The only thing is we have to add a little more quantity of water. Additional water we have to add, and few whistles we have to give. because since it is rich in fiber, it will need more water to get cooked. Friends, this is another variety of our traditional rice. It is told the name of this rice is Savitri or Ponmani. It is known by two names, Savitri or Ponmani. So I am using this rice particularly to make dosa. To make dosa, it is very good, and I have prepared ven pongal also. For plain rice also it is good. The rice is light brown in color, not the pigmentation is not that much high. It is very light brown in color. This is also of hand pound rice. This is a raw rice. Friends, this variety rice is known as Vadakollam rice, and this looks like the normal rice variety, but some people say that this is also one of the traditional variety. This is actually not hand pound. I couldn't get the hand pound rice. This is the machine polished only. I think that is the reason this is pure white in color. And I have prepared plain white rice from this. It came very well. The grains are thin and long. It is very nice. This is of parboiled rice, and the grains are thicker and little bit harder also. Fiber content is also there, but there is no pigmentation in this. So maybe I don't know the real color, since it is machine polished, it is white in color. The real color I don't know. If I get again, and I will post about that one. So any rice variety of traditional variety, it is rich in fiber, and the nutrient contents are very good, and they are rich in essential amino acids. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section, so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.